Nathan Cox here, guys. Thanks again for joining us on another episode of Around the Home. I've got this Ego cordless mower here. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. A few quick, easy steps on how to get this from here to mowing your yard. Okay? So first, let's extend the handle up. You got the lock right here. Okay, there is a little lock area in here. But there we go. It's going to lock itself there, and there are a total of 3 different positions. Okay? Alright, then we need to extend the handles. It will not work if these are not fully extended. Another safety procedure. Okay, we're going to set the depth, height of the deck. We got really easy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We normally mow on 3, that's a pretty common thing to do. Of course, we need power, so we're going to reach over and we're grabbing our giant 5 amp hour 56 volt battery. Put it down in place, locking it in place. Okay. Now to start the mower, let's look at this handle area right here. Okay, it's actually a little confusing to me at first because it says 1 to extend the handle, so I got that figured out. That was easy enough. 2, push the button, and then 3 to do this. And I was like, what's wrong with that? Okay, so what you could do, I was like this, and that doesn't work. All right, you got to hold the little green button down, and then pull the little safety bar in place. Along with all those awesome features there's also here an alert for the battery. If it's overheating or something like that, it can shut down. Of course, you can see the battery slide right through the lens plate here of the lid. And there's this cool headlight button right there. Okay, when you activate that, it does show the battery condition because we are actually using the battery at the time. Now guys, this is not a joke. These LED headlamps are bright enough to light your path at night, so you can mow at night. Because not only do you have enough light to do so, but it is quiet enough to do so. Now to put this away, we simply basically do this in reverse. There's a big green button that says push and click. Of course, we push it down obviously because we clicked it ahead of time. We remove the battery there so we can put it in storage or charge it up, most likely. Now, if we're going to stand the mower up, which is a great way to store it, it stands up best if you take the deck and lift it up all the way. Now this deck has a spring-loaded system into it, so it's actually very easy to lift it up and down. If you don't have a lot of strength to adjust your mower deck, and you're afraid, hey, I don't know if I have the strength to do that all the time, this one you do. Okay? We're going to shorten the handles. Okay? Then we're going to press that, hold it in all the way until it locks, and now it stands up very nicely. Now we can clean the deck area here also, get that cleaned out. Because this is an electric mower, it does have a battery, we don't want to just take a water hose to it. That goes against the manufacturer's recommendations. It is weatherproof, so it starts raining when you're out there. It's not just going to fry up and catch fire, but it also doesn't mean we take a water hose to the underside of it and just submerge it basically. But you can definitely take some rags or brushes or whatever and wipe that all clean. Guys, I hope you liked this very quick and easy demonstration on how to use the Ego lawnmowers. This works also for the self-propelled model. The only thing that adds is the ability that it's going to propel itself. It has a small control on the handle to do so. Other than that, there will be a video for how to sharpen the blade, take that off and sharpen it, etc., etc. I'm going to do some more review videos here very soon. So guys, thank you so much again for watching. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Check out my website, got links down there. I got some additional videos over here for you guys to check out. As always, you guys have a great one.